In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or delete a page in Microsoft Word. This is a basic but very important skill that helps you manage your document layout, whether you're creating reports, assignments, or any type of written content. Let's start by adding a new page. Open your Word document and place your cursor where you want the new page to appear. Then go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen and click on Blank Page. Instantly, Word will insert a new page right at your cursor position. This is the quickest way to add a clean, empty page anywhere in your document. Another way to create a new page is by using a page break. Simply place your cursor where you want the next page to begin, then go to the Insert tab and select Page Break. This pushes any content after the cursor onto a new page, helping you control where sections start. Now let's talk about deleting a page. If you have a blank page you want to remove, first place your cursor on that page. Then go to the Home tab and click on the Show or Hide button to reveal formatting marks. This will help you see any hidden paragraph marks or page breaks that might be causing the extra page. Once the formatting marks are visible, highlight the empty spaces, paragraph symbols, or page breaks on that page and press the Delete key on your keyboard. The page should disappear as soon as all extra elements are removed. If you're trying to delete a page with content, simply click and drag your mouse to select all the text and objects on that page, then press Delete. Word will automatically remove the page once the content is gone. In some cases, a page might not delete easily because of section breaks. If that happens, look for a section break when formatting marks are visible, select it carefully, and delete it. Just be cautious, as removing section breaks can affect formatting in other parts of your document. And that's it. You now know how to add and delete pages in Microsoft Word using simple and effective methods. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.